Andito tayo ngayon sa bayan ng Marikina, where there is discipline, good taste, and excellence. Marikina City is a valley city and it is surrounded by higher grounds, but you can never discount the cleanliness and the orderliness and the beauty of this place. Wow, are you seeing these birds? It's like they suddenly appeared because I'm near. Oh, meron palang nagpapakain sa kanila ngayon. Thank you, Kuya, for taking care of the birds. This reminds me of how our Heavenly Father takes care of the birds even if they don't toil or labor or store away in barns. They don't worry. So tayo rin, we need to live life, find our calling, express our talents, and it helps to have a hobby. And in today's video, we will talk about expressing ourselves through our hobbies. Here I am, I will be meeting my friend, and we are going to talk about this topic. She's Rhema of Rhema's Art Space. We looked for a place to stay and we came across this very cute restaurant called Parikit Lokban Specialties. They serve very nice pansit habhab and longganisa.
I have with me Rhema's Art Space. Yay! And she's the sponsor of a raffle I am going to announce today in this vlog. Yeah. So you have to stay tuned and watch until the end of the video. And our topic for today is how to have more time for your hobbies. I chose Rhema to be my guest today because if you haven't seen her blog yet, after you watch this video, you can search her Rhema's Art Space. And you know, she's not doing this full time. This is her hobby.
Yeah. Earlier, I asked Rhema to find a subject in the city that she would want to sketch or paint. And that's what led us to Parikit Restaurant because her subject is right in front of it.
What do you do for work and for a living? Ano yung yan?
Actually, I work as a finance writer. So, although...
Saka art.
Yeah. Di ba layo na? Actually, kasi parang parang niche ko na talaga yung writing. So, before ako naging finance writer, although freelance itong ginagawa ko today, parang before, I used to be reporter. Reporter ako dati.
Reporter ka dati.
Yeah.
Sa Light?
So, 4 years din ako doon. So, pero although I was already writing na before nagsusulat ako ng news, nagsusulat ako ng mga let's say, mga programs na usually pang-political. So, ayun, writing na talaga yung niche ko talaga. Then, lumipat ako sa corporate, more of, paano ba? Mga corporate writings, yung ginagawa ko. Finance writing, and then ngayon, freelancer. Pero parang writing pa.
Wow.
Parang buong buhay ko nagsusulat talaga ako.
Pero creative yung no? Ang writing is a creative activity, di ba? Even if it's news. Ano naman yung hobby mo pala?
Ayun, actually yung hobby ko habang break time, weekends, usually I draw or I paint. So more of the creative visuals. Yun. Pero lately ko lang siya binilikan. Matagal na ako nagpe-paint tsaka nagdodraw. Bata pa lang ako nagpe-paint tsaka nagdodraw na ako. But, well, you know, as you grow up, minsan na-outgrow mo yun Then, hanggang sa mawalan ka ng time. So, until nung magka-pandemic, binalikan ko siya. Kasi yun yung isa sa strength ko rin, yung mag-draw tsaka yung mag-paint. Actually, more of yung mag-paint siguro sa colors. Yung sketching kasi hindi ko strength yun So, although I'm also discovering yung sketching, this part pa rin siya ng creative arts.
Yes.
And yan, dahil nasimulan ko nung pandemic, 2020, naisip ko, why not tuloy-tuloy ko siya, di ba?
That's
Parang,
right.
para kasi, ay sayang naman kung tatanggalin ko na naman yan, di ba?
And I know you have a video about that. Why you started painting again.
Yeah. Siguro isang hobby ko rin yung eating.
Oo nga.
Hobby yung eating.
Kaya pala yung mga videos mo na nagpe-painting ka or what, puro sa resto.
True, kasi foodie ako eh.
And we also had a collab minsan. At nandun kami sa Rustic Morning sa Marikina rin.
Yeah.
And yes, of course, yung video namin ngayon is in Marikina. And right now, we are in... Sobrang sarap ng pansit habhab nila. Nakalimutan namin.
Kalimutan namin yung pati pangalan namin, nalimutan namin. Actually, marami din akong interest. History, more of yung mga, ano ba, history, mga documentaries, pang hard news talaga ako eh.
Oo nga, sabi mo nga, gusto mo yung mga crime, stories, yung mga mystery, mga plot twists, mga ganyan. Ako naman, different tayo in that area. Ayoko nun. Amazed nga ako sa'yo kasi yung somewhat regular ka nagpo-post ng vlogs mo and then recently, di ba, not a few months ago, sumali ka sa contest, ganyan. How do you manage to do that?
Hindi siya madali. Aminin ko yun. Pero siguro, you try to find time in making hobbies. Yun yung unang-una. If it's something that you're passionate about, it's something that you really like to do, gusto mo siya i-pursue kahit for the fun of it. Kasi ako, lang to eh, parang for the fun of it lang, ganyan. Take time. Siguro, time management lang naman yung isang isang tip lang. One of them is like, for example, I would doodles or simpleng drawings lang. Hindi mo kailangan yung sobrang artistic na simpleng drawings lang while having break time, ganyan. And also, or kunwari mga weekends, I try to take time na mag-sketch or mag-paint sa labas, you know. Pero hindi mo naman kailangan na na yung sobrang maging perfectionist kasi ginagawa mo. Aside from finding time in making hobbies, second is don't be hard on yourself when you're making hobbies, diba? Kasi minsan may tendency tayo maging perfectionist. Fault ko yan eh. Pero nakaka-stress, diba? Pag you're trying to be a perfectionist dun sa ginagawa mo. So, try to shift your mindset na, I'm doing this for to relax, for fun. And when I shift my mindset to that, it's more therapeutic to me. Art is actually therapeutic, pero pag shift natin yung mindset natin na kailangan perfect yun, it's not helpful. It's not therapeutic
yung
anymore.
What will other people say?
Yes,
What they think?
Yeah. When you do your hobbies, actually, huwag kang magpa-impress eh. Hindi ka naman sasali sa contest, di ba? Hindi ka naman sasali sa Olympics.
No one's comparing you with themselves. And if they're comparing you with themselves, it's them.
True. True. I agree with that. So ako, when I draw, I try to bring back my mindset na, I'm doing this to na mag-relax, mag-unwind actually. Kahit na nag-video ako, although mas na-stress ako na kinukunan ko yung sarili ko. Kasi wala naman akong cameraman. Pero, you know what? Isip ko na lang, let's enjoy, let's have fun. Parang, what I'm doing, I'm just documenting yung kumagay improvement ko na rin. Yeah, so, yun. You just, that's the second tip, I guess. Don't be too harsh on yourself when you make hobbies. Try to manage your time. If you really want to pursue your hobby, then don't be too hard on yourself. Just enjoy. Yung improvement, it will come eh. It will come na in time. Hindi mo na lang napapansin na nag-i-improve ka na pala. Kasi ganun din nangyayari sa akin eh. Yung una ay ang pangit, ganyan. Pero pag kinumpare mo na yung ngayon sa dati, ay may improvement na pala. Yan. It's really, it boils down to how you would manage your time. And yun nga. Shifting your mindset that it's not to impress others. Yeah.
From what I then yung takeaway ko doon, no, yung first you manage your time, you set a time. And it seems that you seize every opportunity, like yung break time, weekends, kaya yung kumbaga parang intentional ka na, ini-schedule mo na yan. Kasi
Yes.
minsan, di ba, ako minsan, weekend, dun ko palang iisipin yung gagawin ko.
True.
Yun.
That's how you can find time. Siguro, if your hobbies are example, parang medyo mga sports, ganyan.
Oo nga, paano kaya kapag sports?
Pag sports, another thing siguro, another tip din actually is to find a community of the same interest. Actually. Kunwari, ganyan, sports. Hanap ka rin ng friends na marunong din sa basketball. Pare, tayo, basketball tayo after shift, nga ganyan. Kaya minsan I have friends na maano sa sports, kami nga na hindi sporty, inaaya nila eh. Important din yung may community actually kasi it bolsters yung hindi lang yung your interest into the hobby or the skill that you're in, pero kumbaga nakakakuha ka ng idea from them. For example, if you join an art community, syempre, yung perception nila is different from mine. Pag meron akong friend na artist, nagkakwentuhan kami, iba yung perception namin. Pero I learn from her, and she learns from me too. Nakakatulong din yung may community ka of the same interest.
Yes. Ayun. So, tatlo na tayo. You really need to find the time, and you don't do it to impress. Kasi kapag when you do it to impress, it's hard to start, no?
Yeah.
You won't even start it at all.
Totoo.
And you do it for you. Number 3 is you find a community.
Pero ikaw, di ba, you also have a hobby?
Yeah, I have a hobby. Actually, kaya interesado rin akong dito sa topic natin kasi I'm doing networking, and I'm also doing YouTube. I do housework, chores, ganyan. Pero gusto ko ma-pursue yung hobby ko. I learned playing the violin when I was like 38. Ngayon, magpa-45 na ako. And gusto ko magkaroon ng time to practice. I want to have more time, especially ngayong year na to, gusto ko siyang bigyan ng panahon. And what's your personal advice for me?
I guess siguro one thing is to schedule. This yun, parang set ka ng time, certain time. Kung hindi mo kaya ng everyday, weekends, mga gano'n. Or basta once a week, twice a week, ganyan. For the fun of it, ganyan, enjoy.
So yun, talagang I need to find the time to set it.
And that is what I did. I seized the opportunity and took the time to do what I've wanted to do, and that is to play my violin outdoors. Let's see those birds once again, and I imagine that this place in Marikina City will soon be filled with music and arts by hobbyists like Rhema and myself.
Sobrang dami nating natutunan ngayong araw na to on this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of new videos. And now I'm going to announce, yes, a contest and sponsored by Rhema's Art Space. Comment down below, what hobby would you like to pursue this year? For all those who will comment, we will have a raffle. I will be going live on February, the first Thursday of February. Winners shall receive this personalized notebook which has my channel's name, Truthfully Yours. I'll be giving away 3 of these So make sure you comment and you watch live. Thank you very much and see you on my next video. Bye-bye.